Australia's natural and cultural heritage is irreplaceable. Over the 50 million years of our continent's geographic isolation, an extensive variety of plants and animals has evolved here. Australia has more unique species than any other nation on the planet. With changes in land use over the last 200 years and the threat of climate change, it is increasingly important that a diverse range of healthy, functioning ecosystems remain viable and capable of supporting life. Australia has an extensive network of public national parks and reserves, which aim to protect examples of the full range of these natural ecosystems and landscape features as part of the National Reserve System. Yet all the public conservation reserves make up less than 9% of the land area of New South Wales and still dramatically underrepresent the spectrum of different biological regions or bioregions across the state. Which is why the National Reserve System also provides for the establishment of protected areas on private land across Australia. These areas help complement the important conservation values found in our core public conservation reserves in terms of representation, connectivity and resilience. The New South Wales Department of Environment, Climate Change and Water operates a Conservation Partners Program that enables partnerships with private landholders, Aboriginal communities, non-government, government and industry landholders who want to help protect and conserve places of natural and cultural heritage significance on their land across the state, particularly those in rare and unique ecosystems in underrepresented bioregions.
Well, in New South Wales, we have a range of different ecosystems that are organised in what we call bioregions. There's about 19 of those across the state, and many of them are quite underrepresented in public reserves. The role of private land conservation is very important in this regard. Another very important concept is connectivity in the landscape, where we're looking at complementing public reserves with private land conservation across the landscape. So private land conservation has a really, really important role. It's an inclusive process. It's about people, private landholders, committing their land for conservation under a range of options.